All right, if this is our tax system, is it regressive or progressive? Let's start by talking about this graph. I'm going to throw some numbers in there. It's just arbitrary, just to show an example. So as an example, let's suppose from here to here horizontally, which is our income, goes from $20,000 to earning more and more up to $40,000 all the way up to $60,000. Well, let's consider the vertical axis now because that's your tax percentage. I'm going to throw some numbers in there. It's just arbitrary, but it'll be an example. Maybe this high is 4% tax rate, 8%, 12%. So for this part of the graph then, as we make more money, moving to the right, as we're moving to the right, our tax rate is coming down. Well, if you're making more money, and the more money you make, the smaller your tax rate as a percentage is, that's the definition of a regressive system. Now for this part of the graph, this is actually a flat or proportional tax system. But if we combine it all, these people who are making a lot of money over here are paying a smaller tax rate than the people who are only making less than $40,000. So while a flat tax rate is proportional, if this is our overall system, if you're making a lot of money and you pay a smaller tax rate, only about 7%, and that's lower of a tax rate than all these people are paying, which is 8 to 12% of their smaller income, then again, we can think of that as regressive. Making more money, paying a smaller percentage, regressive tax system. All right, I hope that helped.